Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this gorgeous outfit. Please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, my fabric is folded into two. I took 1 inch for the front zip allowance and now I'm going to fold it into four. Moving ahead to the measurement, I'm going to be using a neck width of 4 inches. So for the neck length, I'm going to be using 3 inches. Now I'm just going to join the points with a curve. So moving ahead to my shoulder measurement, I'm making a hoodie and I won't want it to be a fitted one. So I added 1 inch to my measurement. The shoulder was 9 inches. Now moving to the armhole, I'm going to use 9 inch instead of 8 inches. So I'm just going to take 1 inch to make my armhole curve. So from the shoulder, I'm just going to deduct 1 inch to make my shoulder slant. For the bust measurement, the bust measurement is 38 divided by 4. I have 9.5. So I went ahead to add extra 4 inch, 3 inch for the freeness and 1 inch for joining. For my under bust, my measurement is 32 divided by 4 is 8 plus our 4 inch allowance, which is 12. So I'm going to be marking 12 inches. For the waist measurement, I have 24 divided by 4, which is 6. So I didn't use 4 inch this time around. I used 3 inch, which made it 9. So I'm going to be marking my 9 inches. So I'm just going to go ahead, join my points and then cut. Okay, this is what it looks like after I have joined my shoulder and the sides. So to make the hood, I'm just going to pick it from that point and extend it to this point. I'm just going to go ahead to measure the neckline in order for me to make my hood. I have 10.5. Moving ahead to the hood, I just folded a fabric into two. So I'm going to be using 15 inches for the length of my hood. You can use more than that depending on how big you want your hood to be. So moving ahead, we're just going to be marking our 10.5 through the fabric. Okay, so I'm just going to make a curve there. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking 1 inch round to get my sewing allowance. I'm just going to take 1.5 inch from that point to get my neckline for the hood. After doing that, I'm just going to make sure my measurement still fits at 10.5. I'm going to go ahead to place the exact measurement on another fabric to get a facing for my hood. I'm just going to sew through this point. So after all the joiners, this is what I have. Okay, for my band, I'm just going to measure my waistline. So I'm just going to place the measurements I calculated on the screen into the fabric. For the hand, the length is 23. I'm just going to be using 20 for the Ankara fabric and 3 inches for the Lycra fabric. I'm just going to go ahead to place the length of my hand tights. For my hand tights, the upper part is 12 divided by 2. I have 6, so I added 3 inches because I want it to be free. My elbow part is 10 inches divided by 2 is 5 plus our 3 inches which give me 8. And for the ankle part, I have 6 inches divided by 2 which is 3 plus 3 which gave me 6. So I'm just going to go ahead and join my point and then cut. For the lycra band, I just went ahead to measure the length of my ankle and deducted 2 inches from it to cut the lycra band. So I'm just going to join it this way. That's it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.